I'm Alexis Fink, and I have the privilege of serving as SIOP's past president. You know, most people are aware of the annual conference that SIOP has held every year for decades now. Fewer people are aware of the fact that we hold a second conference every year called the Leading Edge Consortium. It's intentionally designed to be a smaller, more intimate, and more focused experience, usually more of a single cohort on a very clear theme and generally tightly curated by the committee. So every single presentation is high quality and flows logically throughout a day. It really is high quality, compelling event. And this year we're doing some experimentation. We're adding in some things that people have asked for, like some poster sessions to expand the ideas, and we're running 2 back-to-back. They're very complementary, and so I expect some people will choose to go to both. Each is a day and a half and a half day shared, so it's 3 days in total. The first one will be on people analytics. This will be the 3rd time SIOP has done a conference on people analytics, and we've had a lot of demand. The second one will be on assessments, which frankly is pretty close to people analytics, but a classic temple of IO psychology. I'm really excited to see everyone this year in Baltimore. We're going to have a really great time.